Does your fridge look like this? With mysterious containers stacked and drawers overpacked? Digging through food you forgot that's turned green and rotten? You gotta throw that in the trash. But that's a waste of cash. Now there's a better way. Introducing Zip & Store, the revolutionary easy store system that helps you save by organizing. Zip & Store transforms your refrigerator from cluttered mess to organized success, so you can save time finding what you need, save food from going bad, and save money at the grocery store. Simply peel, stick, and slide. In just minutes, your refrigerator is finally organized. The secret is Zip & Store's unique full extension track, which attaches to the bottom of your shelf and features 12 slots for holding 12 different storage bags. Bags slide right in, Zip & Store slides right out. Now everything's easy to see and access. Find meats and cheese with ease. Preserve leftovers, and it's a great way to have snacks ready for the kids. Zip & Store holds so much food, up to 20 pounds. Wow! The super strong adhesive holds it tight, so you can use space that normally goes to waste. It's like getting a bigger refrigerator. And that's not all. Zip & Store also works wonders in cabinets, pantries, craft items, even hardware. The options are endless. Forgotten food costs families $1,400 a year. Save time and money by saving your food with Zip & Store. Now for the incredible low price of just $29.95. When you call, find out about upgrading to a large Zip & Store with 20 bag slots. Order now and we'll also send your amazing chop and fill cutting mats. They're the easy, mess-free way to chop food and then load it right into your storage bags. Yours free.
So I'm going to show you guys a really cool and helpful life hack. We all love bananas. The only problem is they go bad pretty fast. But I have a life hack for that. The first step is to put the bananas on a hanger like this. The next step is to put it on something pretty high up like this. When the bananas are high up like this, they think they're in the tree, so they continue to grow and don't go bad. We're going to come back in a week and see how they look.
Today I'm going to show you how to mince unpeeled garlic cloves with the new stainless steel Alpha Grilla's garlic press. First step, take the unpeeled garlic clove and put it in the chamber. Make sure you're pointing directly downwards and then squeeze the handles together. Next, take a knife and scrape the minced garlic off the front of the press. Open it up. Take the knife again and pick out the empty skin. This press is very easy to use. It doesn't require much hand strength, so it's perfectly fine for people with smaller hands or people who have weaker grip. If you'd like to pick up one of these presses yourself, check the video description below and you'll see a link to the Amazon.com product page where you can pick one up today. It actually comes as part of a set with a silicone garlic peeler, so this is very handy if you ever want to have sliced garlic or perhaps whole cloves of garlic as opposed to garlic mince. So as you see, I have now minced 3 cloves. Didn't take much time at all, and I didn't have to peel them. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Premium quality lemon and lime squeezer. This 2-in-1 lemon and lime press is engineered to be easy on the hands and gets every last drop from your fruit. And no seeds can get through. It's made with sturdy industrial aluminum with a protective coating. It's easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.
the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle, this little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel.